This is Brad Sanders. This is your investment update for April 2019. Fantastic month for stock markets. The S&P 500, domestic stocks were up 4.1%. Global stocks were up 3.4%. So just a very strong month. Bond-wise, a very flat month, which is to be expected after some of the Fed comments. Domestic bond markets were flat exactly, and global bond markets were down 0.3%. So we've had a really good market so far this year, and it's pretty much been aided by the Federal Reserve continuing to come out with dovish language, and they keep reiterating that they're not going to raise rates anymore, and that they could potentially do some other things to loosen policy. And just intimating that over and over is really fueling what is already kind of a hot stock market. And we would expect that to continue as long as global markets stay calm. However, if you've been to some of our investment presentations here, or if you've read past letters, we have talked about China and some problems they could be having. As of this morning, we're filming this on Monday, May 6th. Trump came out last night and basically said they're raising tariffs on China. Chinese markets were down 5 to 7% depending on the index last night, and our markets are down about 1% right now. And that is one of the risks that are out there that could kind of slow down the stock market, or at least cause some volatility, because any kind of disruption with trade with China has profound global implications. So we've been talking about that for a while. That does appear to be a risk that's going to persist for a while. And so we would expect maybe a little bit more volatility going forward than we've seen to begin the year, since those trade talks have been quiet until recently. But once again, very strong start for the year, good first 4 months, and we continue to be cautiously optimistic.